If you've ever wondered how to shape a beautiful croissant, let me show you how. First, lightly oil your work surface, just a drop of oil really, so the dough doesn't stick. Take a ball of dough and press the rolling pin into the center, rolling it upward to create a pointed tip. As you roll downward, gently guide the dough with your hands so it becomes wider at the bottom, but not too wide. Otherwise, the shape won't turn out as nice. The goal is to create a neat triangle with a sharp tip at the top and an evenly wide base. The base should be about the width of your hand, and the triangle's length should be roughly 2 hand spans. Now, start rolling from the base upward, slightly outward as you go. This will help create that nice, tight roll. Don't be afraid to lift the dough occasionally to keep the roll firm and even. When you reach the tip, tuck it underneath the roll to prevent it from unrolling during baking. Finally, give it a gentle curve to form that classic crescent shape. And there you have it, a beautifully shaped croissant.